Today we are talk about the film of Godzilla vs. Kong.
Hollow Earth.
An ecosystem as vast as any ocean.
You always believed that Skull Island was like Hollow Earth come to the surface, right? That's
Godzilla vs. Kong was theatrically released internationally on March 24, 2021.
Kept him isolated. If he leaves, Godzilla will come for him.
It has a 6.4 rating on IMDb.
Well, it looks like he's coming for us anyway.
He's not coming for us.
Godzilla vs. Kong is an American monster film directed by Adam Wingard. Script co-written by Eric Pearson, Max Borenstein, story by Terry Rossio, Michael Dougherty, Zach Shields.
With sub-level 33.
The film has grossed over $467.8 million worldwide, making it the fifth highest grossing film of 2021.
So if they meet again, who bows to who? Is that it?
Kong bows to no one.